Hi, this is Joe from the Pocono Mountain Public Library. Hope you are all doing well today. Today I'll be teaching you the melody to the Jeopardy theme from the game show. Just over the weekend, Alex Trebek passed away, and we hope he rests in peace. On with the lesson. There will be a tab at the end, or you could email us and we'll send you the tab in a PDF file. 5 on the D string, 5 on the G string, 5 on the D string again, then go to the second fret of the D string, 2, 3, slide to the 5th fret. So far we have, alright. Next we have 5 on the D string again, and then 5 on the G string, 5 on the D string, 5 on the G string, 5 on the B string. Then you bring your middle finger onto the 7th fret of the G string, and you go 7, 5, 4 on the G string, then 7, 6, 5 on the D string. So far we have. That's what we have so far. Next part is just like the first 8 notes or so. 5 on the D string, 5 on the G string, 5 on the D string, 5 on the D string, then the 2, 3, slide to the 5th on the D string, and then the 5 on the G string, 7 on the D string, 5 on the D string, 8 on the A string, 7 on the A string, 5 on the A string, 8 on the E string. Okay? That's the first half of the song. The second part of the song is just like the first part, except when instead of starting on the 5th fret of the D string, you start on the 8th fret of the D string. And it's basically the same. You'll see this in the tab. It's basically the same shape, if you will. Oops, wrong note. And that's pretty much the song. I hope you found that useful. Tab will be at the end. However, if you want us to email you the tab, just send us an email. The email will be in the description box down below, and tell us which song you want. Thank you very much. And this is Joe at the Pocono Mountain Public Library signing off.